Ever wondered if the money you've invested with a digital wealth manager like Nutmeg is actually safe? It's a question that gets to the heart of trust in the world of finance, and it's a smart one to ask. When you hand over your money to a company to manage, you need to know who's watching them. So, let's get straight to it. Is Nutmeg regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, the FCA? The short answer is yes. Nutmeg Saving and Investment Limited is on the FCA's Financial Services Register. This is the official register that shows you which firms are authorized to carry out financial activities in the UK. Being on this register means that Nutmeg is held to a high standard of conduct and is subject to the FCA's rules and regulations, which are designed to protect you, the consumer. This isn't just a tick-box exercise. The FCA's oversight means that Nutmeg must follow strict rules on how it operates, from how it handles your money to the way it markets its products. It also means that if you have a problem that Nutmeg can't resolve, you can take your complaint to the Financial Ombudsman Service. But there's another layer of protection that's even more important to be aware of. Because Nutmeg is regulated, your investments are covered by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, or FSCS. This scheme can pay out compensation if an authorized firm goes out of business and is unable to pay back its clients. For investments, the FSCS covers up to £85,000 per person, per firm. That's a crucial safety net. Now, a word of caution. The FCA also issues warnings about clone firms. These are fraudulent companies that try to impersonate genuine, regulated firms. The FCA has, in the past, warned about clone firms using the Nutmeg name. This is why it's so important to always check the FCA register yourself and use the official contact details listed there, not just what's on a website you found through a search. So, in summary, Nutmeg is regulated by the FCA, which means you have protections like the Financial Ombudsman Service and the FSCS to fall back on. This regulation is a cornerstone of the trust you place in them. It's the difference between a legitimate investment platform and a potential scam. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.